Greetings team. Well, you're here. I'm not. I'm away on a Year 12 geography field trip. So I'm leaving you to, first of all, finish off the work from yesterday, which was on decimals. So that's exercise 4, and also to begin work on exercise 5, which is on percentages. So this here is a summary of what you need to know. So you can refer back to this at any time and probably take some notes in your summary book. So this would be really good to have in your summary book. So if it came up in a test or an exam, you can easily go back to your summary book and just check what to do. So percentages. Percentage means parts out of 100. So 10% means we take 10 parts out of 100 as a group. So what we need to be able to do is to manipulate percentages. So there are a number of things that we have to do. If we want to convert a percentage into a fraction, let's take 5% for example. What we need to do is simply divide by 100. So if you wanted to convert 5% into a fraction, you take your 5%, put it over 100, and then if you had that in your calculator, if you push the enter button, it will simplify that fraction because 5 goes into 5 once and into 120 times, so it would give it to you as 1/20th. If you want to turn the other way, if you want to go back the other way, you want to take a fraction and convert it into a percentage, then what you do is divide the fraction and then multiply by 100. So if I had 1/4, a quarter, and I wanted to turn that into a percentage, I'd simply divide 1 by 4. So if you had 1/4 on your calculator, push Control and Enter, and that would tell you it's 0.25, and then you'd say times 100, and that would give you 25%. Okay? Now we want to do percentage to decimals. So if I want to go from a percentage into a decimal, I simply divide by 100. So here, 15% is 15/100. And again, if you put that into your calculator and you push enter, it just gives you that back, or a fraction back. You press Control and Enter, and it will tell you it's 0.15. And finally, this time going from decimals into percentages. So what we do here is multiply by 100. So if you've got 0.35 as your decimal, you want to turn that back into a percentage. It's 0.35, so just enter that straight into your calculator, times 100, and that gives you 35%. Alrighty, so if you understand that and you're happy with that, then in your percentages, then you can go to work on exercise 5 and do the 5 questions in that. Good luck, I hope it goes well for you.